Have you seen Solyball Cooling Ace being promoted as a compact device that can cool an entire room in minutes while cutting your electricity bill? Those promises certainly grab attention, but before spending your money, it's worth looking at what this product actually offers. After examining its advertised features, the technology behind it, pricing patterns, and customer feedback available online, the results suggest that Solyball Cooling Ace should not be viewed as a true portable air conditioner. Instead, it appears to function more like a small evaporative cooler or personal cooling fan, which may provide a refreshing breeze when used at close range but cannot deliver the same cooling performance as a compressor-based air conditioner. Claims of rapidly cooling large rooms and dramatically reducing energy costs seem exaggerated because devices of this type simply don't have the hardware required for genuine air conditioning. Another point that stands out is the marketing strategy. With limited time discounts, countdown timers, and scarcity messages creating pressure to buy quickly, even though similar promotions often continue long after they expire. We also found that products with nearly identical designs and specifications are sold under different brand names across various online marketplaces, including Alibaba, Temu, and AliExpress, often at much lower prices than the branded version. This raises questions about whether buyers are paying mainly for marketing rather than unique technology. Customer experiences also appear mixed, with some users appreciating the compact design for personal use, while others report that it doesn't match the powerful cooling advertised. Based on everything we found, Solyball Cooling Ace may be suitable if you're expecting a small desktop cooling device for short-range comfort, but it is unlikely to replace a real portable air conditioner or cool an entire room as heavily promoted. As always, compare specifications carefully, read independent reviews, and keep realistic expectations before deciding whether this product is worth your money.